Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving from Williamsfield or from Mandeville to Poros. So we're going over Melrose Hill, and this is the Melrose Hill Road. This was the original road before the Melrose bypass was built, but the Melrose bypass is now closed to traffic traveling from Williamsfield to Poros, because they are working on the road. They're doing some construction. Highway 2000 is being extended from Maypen to Mandeville, or more specific, from Rio Mino in Clarendon to Williamsfield in Manchester. So the Melrose Hill bypass is closed for traffic traveling from Williamsfield to Poros, because they're building a bridge or an overpass, because Highway 2000 is going to pass over Melrose Hill. So this is the route, or the detour route, you have to take now, and this is actually the original route before the Melrose bypass was built. So back in the day, when you were traveling from Kingston to, say, Mandeville, this is the road you would drive on, and then over time the Melrose bypass was built that connects you from Poros to the Winston Jones Highway, and then now we have Highway 2000, a 4-lane dual carriageway running all the way from Kingston to Mandeville. It's the Maypen to Mandeville leg is under construction. It's about 60% complete, between 60 and 70% complete, and when completed you can drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 45 minutes. But for now we're going to have to use this road as a detour, and they said the Melrose bypass should be closed for between 7 and 8 months. And it's China Harbour Engineering Company, the Chinese company that's doing the work, so probably it will be finished around that time. And they are also the ones that are building the section of the highway from Maypen to Mandeville. So this section of the road looks like it was recently paved, and of course no white lines. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but straight ahead you can see the construction of the highway up on the hill in the distance. And once this leg of the highway is completed to Williamsfield in Manchester, there is another leg that's going to be built from Williamsfield to Montego Bay. So Highway 2000 was designed to run from Kingston to Maypen, Maypen to Mandeville, Mandeville to Montego Bay. They're building it in sections, in phases, and to date no date has been set for the Williamsfield to Montego Bay leg, but it will be done one day. And also a leg of the highway is going to be built from Rio Mino in Maypen to Discovery Bay on the north coast. So in a few years you'll be able to drive around the entire island of Jamaica on a highway. Alright, so we're now coming down to the intersection with, this is actually the bottom of the Melrose Hill bypass. So, okay, at this intersection, if we go straight, we go into Porous. If we turn right, we would go up the Melrose Hill bypass. Now remember, the section from Porous to Williamsfield, you can use the bypass for that section. So we're now going into the town of Porous. So Porous is a small town, maybe more of a district. It's basically on the main road between the town of Mandeville and the town of Maypen. Mostly it's kind of developed. You have schools, you have a police station, you have a post office, you have a lot of churches, a lot of restaurants. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.